Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I got something I want to show y'all today. So currently right now I'm at work, so once I get off I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so guys, I'm at the car wash now. I got my WD-40 and I got my washcloth and stuff. So I'm about to clean up my car real quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do to shine my headlights the easy, cheap way. I'll show y'all. I got all this mess in here, man. Look at all this. Like, so much mess. She is filthy. See this? All this salt. See all that salt? That's why you gotta clean your car, because if you don't clean your car, this is what happened. Obviously, my car, when I bought my truck, that's how it was, so, but I ain't gonna worry about that. We're gonna get that taken care of soon, so. You can see all that salt underneath. That's why it's important for you to wash your car. So let's see my headlights. They're not that bad, but it's a little bit foggy right here, so. Obviously, the first thing you want to do, make sure your car is clean, nice and clean. Don't try to do it when your car is dirty. So, see a little bit right there? Yes, sir. We in business. For those that really want a truck, for those who want a truck, you gotta wash your truck. That's a huge challenge, bro. Like, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. This is the fun part.
forget to like and subscribe.
Got done washing my car now. So WD-40. If you want to get this off, see that little spots right there, stain, fog, whatsoever you call it. If y'all want to get that off, all you gotta do, spray a little bit of it. See? White. You gotta do it like a few times to get it off. Mine I have to do it a few times, I'll say. So it's the same thing on this side. Sorry. So like my lights is not really that bad with it. But like this is like my first time using it, so like I'm only putting this on my car to try to show some of you guys that if you really have like that issue, because I've seen worse than this before. I swear people do not know how to drive in PA, yo. It's like every time you're in a rush to go somewhere, that's when somebody in front of you want to drive so slow. Like that's the crazy issue. But if I'm not rushing somewhere else, that's when you're gonna see everybody want to go fast. But yeah, guys, pretty much with what I show you guys, like I'm not telling you should use WD-40 on your headlights. I'm just trying to show you an easy way you can save yourself some money if you don't want to get a new headlights and all that bull crap. So I'm just showing you guys like an easy way that you could, like, you know, pretty much save yourself some money. But most people gonna be like, oh yeah, I heard, you know, I know know about that, this and that, blah, blah, blah. But obviously, but I'm just trying to show you guys, like, with me, what I normally do. Like, this, like, pretty much since I bought this truck, like, I never used something like that before. Like, I never sprayed WD-40 on my headlights because it pretty much wasn't any need for me to. Like, my headlights is not that bad with, like, the fog and stuff inside of it. And that's not really something that's I'm really concerned about, because like I'm planning on changing a lot of parts on my car, so pretty soon I'm planning on doing that. And I'm just trying to show some people who don't know about it what you could do. And but yeah, it's like the nicest day we ever had, yo. EPA for like the past, I said, like, what, 2 months? Man, effing snowing like dang near every day. Every effing day, yo. Got the sun out. Sun is outside. 50, I think 52 or 55 degrees today. Can't complain. I'll take that. I can't complain about that. One thing about me, I'm always grateful, man. Always. I don't take nothing for granted, man. There we go. No effing parking space. Deal with this on there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, obviously, but yeah, I feel like a lot of people should know about that, pretty much. But I'm just trying to help out, that's all. If you used that before, let me know what you guys think, man. Did it work for you? Because it worked for me. Like, I used it on my previous car I had. I just want to tell you guys, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one.